Okay, we're factoring. This is a 5-step method. This one is all 5 steps. So take good notes. This will be on the YouTube. Okay? First step is GCF, the greatest common factor. What goes into everything? So I want to do what's called upside down division. Okay? And I want to figure out what goes into 36, 39, and 12.
1.
I definitely 1 does. Does 2? They're not all even,
not
are they?
evenly, yeah.
Does 3? 3
yeah.
goes into 36, it goes into 39,
And 12.
and 12.
So 3, just put it to the side.
So 3 definitely works. Okay? Alright, so what else? 3 goes into 36 how many times?
18. Or just kidding.
How many times?
12.
12. Good. So 12x squared.
13.
3 goes into there 13 positive x times. And 3 goes into here
4 times.
minus 4 times. So I just bring that 3 down and now we got parentheses around that. Okay? So that's it. That's the first step. Okay? And that's why it's in blue. Change your color. Change your color. Okay? Parentheses.
Don't.
Star. Variable. Okay? The star is always the first coefficient. Okay? I want to make a note somewhere down here that I'm pulling out a star of 12. Okay? Because I got to clean it up later. Okay? The reason I'm taking this out now and using it in both, see this just comes down, right? But what I'm doing here is making 2 sets of parentheses and I'm using my star variable. My star variable. So I'm splitting my variables up into 2 pieces and my star goes into both. Okay? Now 12 times 12 is not 12. Right? So I have an extra 12 in there. But it makes the math easy. Later up we can clean it right up. Okay? We just clean this up. It's like laying down a linoleum floor. You put down extra glue, you roll it out, the glue squirts out of the sides, you just clean up all the glue, and now it's solid. Okay? What you're standing on. Okay. Next, what's our next one? So that's done. That's it. Second step is done. We don't need that color anymore.
Signs.
Signs. Oops. So step 3 is signs.
Bring the first positive down, and then the second one will tell you if they're
So
the
the
same.
first one comes down every single time.
They're different.
And then this tells me if they're the same or different. If it is positive, then they're the same. If it is negative, then they are different. It is negative, so they are different. These 2 signs are different. What's different than plus?
Subtract.
Minus. It's that simple. Done. Don't need that color. Move to the next color. Alright, 4. Product and sum. I'm going to use purple for this because it's too close to that black and I'm going to be in here. So, product. So, 4 is product and sum. Okay? So, my product. Remember, your product, I usually put it over here, but you can put it over here. Product and sum. The product is the first one times the last one. Okay? That's your product. The first coefficient times your last coefficient. So 12 times 4 is
48.
36. Or is it 48?
I was thinking 36, but 48 is correct. Double check.
Dumbass like you.
Alright? And then the sum is the middle number. Okay? The sum is the middle number. And what we do with the sum is always the second sign. The second sign tells me what we're doing in the sum. So we're subtracting. The product is multiplication, but the sum is subtraction. Okay? So I need two numbers that multiply to be 48, but they subtract to be 13. Okay? Well, I know two numbers right away is 4 and 12, right? So I can look at those as an always big number first.
16 and 3.
So if we did 14 and 4, or 12 and 4, right, they wouldn't be right. It would be 8, right? And that's not 13. So you're saying 16 and 3. So 16 times 3 is that 48. Yeah. Is 16 minus 3, well, is that going to give me 13?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is correct. So this is not, but this is. So this is 48 and 13, so that's what we want. So 16 and 3. Very important. Big number first. 16 and 3. Okay? So we're done with that color. We get to our last color. Let's go with green. Okay? 5 is star clean up.
Start clean up.
Okay? Again, we got to clean up this 12. Now a 12 can be made by doing what? 1 and 12, 12,
6 and 2.
2 and 6. I mean, we can write them as big number first, that's fine.
3 and
12 and 1,
two.
6
What?
and 2, 3 and 4, and then that's it, right?
Yeah.
So we need one of those combinations. So we say, can 12 go into both of these? No. Can it go into both of these? No. So it's not 12 and 1. Can 6 go into both of these? No. Can it go in both of these? No. So it's not 6 and 2. Can 4 go into both of these? Yes. Can 3 go into both of these? Yes. So now we know it's 3 and it's 4. Okay? And so how many times is 4 going to 12? So remember, bring this 3 down. And how many times is 4 going to 12?
3 times.
3 times. How many times is 4 going to 16?
4.
How many times is 3 going to 12?
4.
How many times is 3 going to 3?
1.
And that
Is your answer.
is your answer. 5-step method. Works every time. If you pay attention. If you know how to do it. Question.